Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something quite different. Instead of putting my makeup on with you guys, I'm going to be removing it. Yes, you heard me well. I'm going to be taking off my makeup with you guys, but I'm taking it off with a really cool product and it's called Clear Pads. So if you guys want to see the review, please keep on watching. But before I go ahead and start off my review, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. It would really mean a lot to me and I would love to have you guys on the light family that I have here on my channel. So if you guys want to see me take off my makeup with the Clear Pads, keep on watching. First off, I just want to say a huge thank you for Clear Pads for sponsoring this video and also sponsoring this video review for you guys. So this is going to be a video dedicated just for Clear Pads and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to be removing my makeup with these babies. So they did send me 3 packs. That's why I'm going to be doing a mini giveaway for you guys. Please stay tuned till the end of the video to show you what you're going to be winning. But you're going to be winning a pack with the pads inside. It's going to be awesome for you guys to also try something new to remove your makeup without irritation or anything like that. So let's go ahead and show you what they sent me. I don't know if you guys hear that, but we have kind of like a self-moving ball that moves around the house and it's just for Dusty that he plays around with. So if you hear like knocking and banging on the door, then it's the ball and Dusty's playing with it. And I'm also going to change my top to something a little bit more comfortable for me to kind of just, you know, work with the water and everything. So let me go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. So Clear Pads did send me 3 packs right here to review and they sent me a few of their pads which I'm going to be showing you right now. And they also were very nice enough to send me a coupon code for you guys to use as well. I'm going to be leaving it in the info box down below and also I'm going to be leaving it in the screen while I'm doing my review for you guys. I started to see these kind of pads all over social media and I've seen a lot of people use these kind of pads, but they're not actually from Clear Pads, but they're very similar and they look quite alike. So I'll just show you guys what I am talking about. So the pads look like this. They're just really cute and I've seen a lot of people that actually wet them and just use them to remove their makeup. So I will be testing that out for you guys. I do have a bowl of water right here and I do have my cleanser because I want to see how well it's going to be removing it. I'm going to be trying the pads with and without the cleanser just to give you guys an idea and also just like, you know, a typical review showing you guys how you can use them. So I have these right here and they look like that. So let me go ahead and open one up. Oh my god, these are very soft. I really like the material of them and they are kind of like spongy as well, and it says here clean sponge. Excuse my nails, I did not get the chance to do them, but this is how the pad look like and it's extremely soft. Like I really love the material of this. And I know for a fact this is going to be extremely soft on my skin, which I like that. So one of the packs I have here, there's 2 in here and this is going to be the giveaway for you guys. So I'll be giving away 2 white ones. So you also have them in pink, black, and I believe they also have them in a nude color, but I will leave the link of Clear Pads down below for you guys. You can go ahead and check out their pads. So let me go ahead and pull out my hair first. So before I go ahead and take off my makeup using the pads, I'm just gonna go and run over through them a little bit and just talk a little bit more about them. I think it's quite important just to give you guys an idea about them and just talk about the materials and everything. So they all come in a pack of 3 inside and you can actually choose what you want. So you can choose a pack of black, white, and pink, a pack of white. They also have them in black and they also have them in kind of like a nude brown shade as well. These are normally retailed for $39.90, but they're on sale for $29.90 and you can also use my coupon. I have a coupon for 30% off, which is a quite good discount. So thank you so much Clear Pads for giving me a coupon code for my subscribers. I really appreciate it and I really hope you guys appreciate it as well. If ever you're interested in this one, use my coupon code. The code is NOOR30 30. So I'll leave it somewhere here on the screen, but you're also going to see that coupon in the info box down below. So these pads right here are actually suitable for sensitive skin if you have sensitive skin. These are also 7 times more absorbent than cotton, which is amazing. These are also washable in a washing machine, which is awesome. Recyclable packaging as well. So the little bags, they are made for recycling, which is amazing. And this is also ecological and economic, which is awesome. I love anything recyclable. I love anything reusable. You really get your money worth from using these pads, and that is everything that you need to know. Let me just go ahead and tell you guys a little bit more about them. These are designed for daily makeup, ranking from heavy to light as you wish, meaning you can have a full glam face like I have right now, or you can also do kind of a light coverage, light makeup, kind of like a no makeup. This will remove everything. It is perfect to accompany you at any time of the day. Our reusable makeup removal pads remove your makeup with just water and less than a minute. So let's go ahead and give that a try. And if you guys want to know more about these, I would highly recommend that you visit the website. I will leave the link in the info box down below. So how to use it, you also have details on how to use this right here. So you just soak it in water and you kind of drain it out of the water, wipe your face, rinse and start again to kind of like keep removing. Wash with soap and water and air dry when you're done, just to keep it clean. And you can just throw it in the washing machine at 60 Celsius approximately once a week, which is something that I wouldn't really wash once a week, to be honest. I will wash it the same day that I used it. I'll just go ahead and throw it in there. So let me go ahead and put it in the water. I want to see how well this is going to absorb. Oh my god, this feels really weird. I normally take off my makeup with a makeup remover wipe normally. If this actually really works, this is going to save me a lot of money on makeup wipes, believe it or not. And I do actually, after using my makeup wipe, I do use my cleanser, and I kind of like double cleanse my face, you know, just to make sure that all the makeup is gone, because I don't want any makeup in my pores. So I'm really soaking this in, and this is absorbing the water very nicely. So I don't want like a lot of water soaking off my face right here. And let's see how well this is going to work. I really wanted to do a full face of makeup. I just went ahead and I touched up my lips because I want to see if this actually removes liquid lipstick. And I also have mascara obviously and a wing liner. So let me go ahead and remove my lashes, well, my lash on this eye, and I want to see how well this is going to be removing the makeup. So I went ahead and I zoomed in just a tiny bit, and I want to see no, you guys see this? Like, whoa, look at that. This literally removed everything. No way. Do you guys see that? Like, this is a matte liquid lipstick. Like, normally I have a hard time removing my liquid lipstick. Like, look at that. Oh my god. I am so impressed. This is definitely going to be changing my makeup removing routine game. Like, this is going to save me a lot of money on makeup wipes. Look at that. This is crazy. I'm just gonna take the clean side right here, and I'm gonna go over my eye and see if this is going to be removing my okay, this is insane. Like, obviously I would need to rub a little bit harder for the mascara, but look at that. It like this is an extremely soft on my eye. Like, it's not tucking on my skin and whatsoever. This is very soft, and it's removing my makeup very nicely. And I'm just gonna wipe a little bit here. Wow, like, I am honestly super impressed. and then you can absolutely use it back and forth. So you have a lot with a pad. You can definitely do your whole entire face with a pad. I would normally do like half of my face on one side and then another half of my face on the other side. You can take off basically all of your face makeup just using the pad. It's insane. You can always go over with your cleanser, obviously, to clean it off a little bit, which I will be showing you, but I'm so impressed. Obviously you can still see mascara a little bit, but I'm so sure this with cleansing you'll be able to take off the mascara with the pads. But you know, it took off all the eyeshadow and, you know, even my eyebrow. Like, look at that. So I just went ahead and I did this side without any cleanser, and look the amount of makeup that I have on here. I am blown away. So I just soaked my sponge again in there, and I'm just gonna take my cleanser, and I'm just using a face cleanser. This is from First Aid Beauty, and I'm just gonna go ahead and remove my other lash and add a little bit of cleanser on here. I'm just going to kind of like swirl around the cleanser. Oh, this works really well with the cleanser as well. And I'm just using the sponge now with the cleanser. This feels incredibly soft on my skin. Like, I'm not rubbing so hard on my skin, and this feels super nice and very comfortable on my skin, and I just absolutely love it. That this has definitely changed the makeup removing game for me. No joke, I am totally obsessed with it. This is something that I would definitely use every time I want to remove my makeup. This is going to save me a lot of money on makeup wipes. Like, I am so blown away. I am so impressed, and I cannot recommend this enough. Let me just grab my mirror right here and see if this is, because sometimes the lash glue leaves a little bit of residue on my lashes, and I want to see if this actually removed everything. No. Like, I don't have any lash glue on my lashes, and that is something that I struggle with every time I remove my makeup. Makeup wipes does not remove my lash glue when I wear falsies, and this removed everything without pulling on my hairs or on my lashes, and it just removed everything. Like, I am like, okay. Go get these. Like, go get these. I'm just using another one, and I'm just going to cleanse again my face. As you guys saw, like, you can go ahead and use these without any makeup cleanser, just to kind of remove your makeup. And if you want to double wash your face, which I would recommend, then you can go ahead and use your cleanser. So I just went ahead, this has removed all my makeup. So I'm just going to take a clean one and just kind of like double cleanse my face and just make sure that everything is removed. And I just want to give you guys a test and see if the first try removed all the makeup or not. Obviously I didn't go on my neck, so you're probably going to see a little bit of makeup on the sponge, but I just want to show you if this actually removes makeup well. So let me go ahead and run over once again with another sponge. Wow, you see, like, I'm double cleansing and I don't have much makeup on there. Cleaning my face again, nothing on here. This is the first cleanse. Second cleanse, I have nothing on there. This removed everything. Like, I feel so, my face feels so fresh. It feels like that I just wash my face with like my cleanser with my hands like I normally do. This is amazing. Alrighty guys, this is me with no makeup. I just went ahead and I added a little bit of my skincare on there just to kind of re-moisturize my face. But overall, I am so impressed by these pads. I highly recommend them. I will leave, again, like I mentioned, the link of these in the info box down below. Same thing as my coupon code if you are interested. I honestly highly recommend them. They are extremely soft on the skin and they remove the makeup so well. Like I said in this video, these are going to save me a lot of money on makeup wipes, and who doesn't want to save money on wipes? I mean, they are a waste anyways, so might as well get some pads, reuse them as much as you want. And also they are washable, so you can just throw these in your washing machine and they will just clean themselves in there. How convenient is this? I find it so convenient, and I find it just genius. It's so worth it, honestly. And what's really fun about them is that you can use them with or without your cleanser, but I would highly recommend that you do take off your makeup with your cleanser. And if ever you want to use them without a cleanser as like the first wash, then your second wash, please use your cleanser to really deep clean your skin, because you don't want to keep makeup in there. And that brings me to the giveaway. I'm going to be giving a pack that has 2 pads in here. They're going to be white pads for you guys. Just to let you guys know that I will be disinfecting everything, just an FYI, okay? Like, don't come at me. I'm going to be disinfecting everything before sending it to you guys. So how you can enter to win a pack of 2. For you to win this pack, you want to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel here on YouTube. You also need to follow me on Instagram, follow Clear Pads on Instagram. And this giveaway is going to be open for Canada and the US. Unfortunately, I can't do an international giveaway just due to COVID and everything that's been going on. I don't want to take the risk. So what I want you to do is that I want you to leave a heart down below. It can be any color heart that you want, and also leave me your Instagram page so I can go ahead and contact you on there, letting you know that you're the winner and that I need all your information so I can ship you the little package right here. Also, please make sure that you are over 16 years old, because I don't want to get in trouble with any parent. Please don't put me in that situation. Overall, this is my review, and good luck to everybody that is going to enter this mini giveaway. Again, I highly apologize that I'm only choosing one winner for this giveaway. You guys could all enjoy the 30% discount if ever you are interested in these pads, which honestly, it's so worth it. You get a pack of 3 and they're reusable, and what else, what better could you have? If you guys liked this review, please throw me a thumbs up. It will really mean a lot to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. And also, if you have any questions and concerns, just leave them in the comments down below separately from the giveaway, or you can put them all in the giveaway. Put it all together with your heart, with your Instagram page, and leave your comment all together. I will also count you in as an entry. So yes, good luck to everybody, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.